Hello dear friends, I am Dr. Sunny Google. I am a consultant orthopedic surgeon at Sancheti Hospital. My specialty is knee surgery and I am doing it from last 10 years. Today I am going to deal with you all and leave you a bit of more information about a common problem that we oftenly face. As you all know friends, you must have heard of or you must have seen patients or your relatives or your family members having pain in their knee joints, having difficulty while walking, complaining of pain in the knee joint and not able to go out of the house because of that. So yes my friends, I am going to talk to you about osteoarthritis of the joints and commonly the knee joint. So today we are going to see in short about what a knee osteoarthritis is and the probable causes because of which it happens and the possible treatment options that we have. So in short, to start with, what is arthritis? Arthritis is basically wear and tear of the joint, and when it involves a knee joint, it is known as knee osteoarthritis. So this is a condition in which there is a wear and tear of the knee joint which starts to happen commonly in the middle age, and there are probable multiple reasons why it happens in the middle age. So in many patients it depends on the age. So as we rightly said, the middle age patients are affected because of the aging process which begins in the body. There are certain metabolic changes that happen in the body, and gradually the knee cartilage, which is a protective mechanism on the knee joint or the knee bones, which protects our knee joint from friction and wear and tear, start showing some changes, and these changes, they gradually increase step by step, ultimately leading to a severe arthritic knee joint. So age is one of the major factor which predicts the outcome of the knee arthritis. Second common reason, or what the questions patients have or people have in common, is heredity. My mother, my dad, my grandmother, my parents have knee arthritis. So am I predisposed to have knee arthritis? Yes my friends. So there are certain hereditary conditions like genu valgum or genu varum, like bow legs or knock knees. In such patients, developing knee arthritis is very common. So hereditary to certain extent has a bearing on the knee arthritis. Next, coming to the next topic, next cause, probable cause is weight. So yes, my dear friends, weight is a very important factor which predisposes our knee to maximum stress in our day-to-day lifestyles, in our professional lifestyles. And yes, if you are overweight, which can be easily found out with the help of calculating your body mass index, and if your body mass index is more than 25, then you classify to be obese, and if it is more than 30, you classify to be overweight. So if you are overweight or in the obese category, the predisposition to have knee arthritis is very high because of the constant strain on the knee joint coming in our day-to-day activities. Third most common reason why a knee arthritis happens is due to injuries. So many of the times, due to our professional habits or personal habits, we indulge into many sports activities, and we a lot of times get minor repetitive injuries around the knee joint, and these injuries predisposes our knee joint or the knee cartilage to traumatic wear and tear and subsequent development of knee arthritis. Other certain categories of patients where overuse of the joint is involved, or their professional demands or their occupation involves sitting on the floor, Indian toilet posture, or squatting or kneeling down activities. Such patients are also predisposed to develop knee arthritis. In the subsequent videos, we shall deal with each and every modality of the treatment in slight depth so that you can understand the problems very well and come to us. I thank you all for your patient listening. Thank you once again.